Hey friends, I have a Scholastic magazine for you called Slip Sliding on Ice. This poor duck tried to land on the pond, but it was frozen solid and he went skating instead. Ice is cold. Let's see. Have you ever held an ice cube? That's a fun thing to do, and watch it and see how long it takes it to melt. Ice is really cold. Ice is also hard. This bicycle is frozen to the ground and they can't move it until the ice melts. Ice is slippery. You can go ice skating on it, which is fun to do. Ice is fun. Snow is a kind of ice. It's frozen water like ice is, and this puppy is having fun playing in the snow. Ice can melt. When it gets warm, the ice turns back into water. Snow and ice melt back into water.